Hello, welcome to BoardX. Today we're going to do a brief introduction to our team, our organization, and certainly our product. So let's get started. So what is BoardX? BoardX is a team now of about 70 people. We are an internet company just founded in June of 2021. And it's a visual collaboration software. So it's a website you can access today, create an account, and use to collaborate anywhere with anyone on any device. So it's pretty useful when taken in hand with a product like Zoom or other collaboration softwares. This is a useful medium to increase your efficiency, increase your output, productivity, and certainly your creativity as well. So we're founded on the core principles of design thinking, you can see here. So design thinking is a way of approaching problems, breaking them down, making them simpler, so you can take these extremely complex problems and solve them using simple methods. So we've taken that core, built it into BoardX, and made a product out of it. Okay, the product. So BoardX is a digital whiteboard. So anything you can do on a physical whiteboard, you can do on BoardX. So you can see here we can draw, we can make sticky notes, we can post emoji reactions even. So we've extended the ability of physical whiteboards. Now we can upload pictures, URLs, videos. I can record videos, I can make presentations, I can design prototypes, I can put all of my research to one page, and then all of this I can do in real time with other collaborators, and I can send this afterwards to hundreds of people, or as many as I'd like, so that they can see what's on the board in real time, anywhere, on any device. So a little more about the product. You can watch this product demo here on YouTube. This goes over some of the basics. You can see what people do on whiteboards here, and you can see how that would apply to BoardX. So next we're going to go over some ways you can use BoardX. So our first use case here is for meetings and workshops. Now anytime you might use Zoom, Google Meets, Microsoft Teams, for video calls, you can use a meeting platform such as BoardX to collaborate together in real time. So you can see we can have different cursors and different colors to post sticky notes to a template like this for brainstorming or solving problems. We can build other templates ourselves, and you can see how this would be useful working from anywhere to save on company travel costs, expenses, and you of course have unlimited collaboration space this way, as opposed to a physical whiteboard. So diving further into the workshops, workshops are all about taking a day or a week or however long to come together, brainstorm new ideas, come up with new solutions, new insights to move a product or a solution forward. So a BoardX can be extremely useful for visualizing all of these insights in one place, keeping everything together, including videos, pictures, and all forms of media, Word documents, Excel, PDFs. You can store all of this with your sticky notes, your reactions, your comments, and even your drawings, all in one place, as opposed to a physical in-person workshop where at the end you have all of the beautiful insights on all of these walls of sticky notes and drawings. All you can do is pull out your phone and take pictures and hope that you look through these pictures of walls of sticky notes in the future so you don't lose that momentum, you don't lose those insights. Now BoardX keeps all of those insights as they were the day you created them, the day you generated them, all in one place to be accessed by anyone, anywhere. So next, let's talk specifically about brainstorming. So brainstorming is when we come together as a team to put our ideas down, to come up with new ideas in an open space where we can pop them down as quickly as possible. So you can see a template we have here. We have a brainstorming template where you can choose a number of participants. You can move your notes, your ideas down. You can see people are voting here on the clusters after they have categorized their ideas, and you can see whose ideas are whose. And of course, this is accessible from anywhere. So this is a sort of seamless collaboration that you can come back to over time. Next use case we have here as an example is design. So if we can draw on a board, we can design on a board. So at BoardX we can wireframe together, we can build mood boards like you see here, we can present them, we can prototype them, iterate, create new versions over and over, build comments, leave notes, gather feedback in real time. So here's just a few more solutions that will all help you save on your time, your money, and of course your stress. So we can keep all of this together in one place for you to share seamlessly with your team. So this has been a very quick introduction to some of what we've been doing here at BoardX. We appreciate your listening and your attention, your consideration. So if you have any questions, please reach out to us. But otherwise, thank you very much for your time. And of course, this entire presentation has been built and presented right here on BoardX.